Hey guys, how are you all? So welcome to this third video on Ansible, on the series of Ansible. So in the last video, we have seen how to install Oracle VM VirtualBox in your machine and how to set up the VDIs and how to enable the virtualization technology if you're facing the 64-bit problem. Okay, so I settled up this machine in the last video. So let's power on this up. Very well then, my virtual machine is up and running. So as you can see, the virtual machine is running in a healthy way. So let's log in with this machine, and the password is obviously wasbuster.org. Let's log in this with this. Either you can use the root account or you can use the normal user account. Okay, so let's wait for this to come up. Great. So now let's open a terminal, and let's you need to install the software that is Ansible. Okay, so for that you need something that is known as EPEL release. Okay, sometimes this in the case of CentOS or Red Hat, the software is not available in the given repos. So if you head up to the slash cd slash etc slash yum.repos.d, here you can find all the repos, but probably the Ansible software is not available in these particular repositories. So for that, first you need to install a separate repository. So it will install us for this. It will ask for the password. Let's wait for it to install. Okay, so now the software is being installed. Let's cross verify this. So, okay, very good. The EPL software is already installed and with 13,455 uh, softwares. Okay, so now we need to install Ansible. Okay, but before installing Ansible, first you need to install Python because sometimes it checks for dependencies and all. So Python must be installed with Ansible. Okay, so you need to run sudo yum install first Python Ansible. Okay, so let's wait for the installation. Very well then, let's see the software is installed or not. So let's check for a Python first. Python version. Okay, and for the Ansible, 2.9.14. That's very great. So we have installed Ansible, and we have installed the Apple release for the extra software's availability. So thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we are going to set up our managed nodes, and we'll check up the connectivity between the Ansible. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great time, guys.